everyone, welcome back to Odin School's YouTube channel. So let's start our episode today differently. So let me tell you a quick story. A group of travelers were stuck in a maze. So everyone were here and there. Some of them walked in circles, some hit dead ends, some followed random guesses. But one person took a different approach. So he climbed the clock tower that he saw and looked at the full map, like the whole maze, and he memorized this fastest and shortest path to get out of the maze. So that person didn't work harder. He just saw the problem differently. So now, why the story? Because that's what companies are exactly wanting today. So people who don't just code models but step back, understand the bigger picture and build smart solutions. And that's what Fact Entry is also looking for in their next AI ML engineer. So, all right, let's have a quick intro about the company. So, Fact Entry is a global financial data company that's been in business since 2008. And in 2024, they became part of the SIX group. Yes, the Swiss financial giant. And what do they do exactly? They are experts in fixed income data, powering smart investment decisions with accurate bond pricing, reference data, and analytics. This isn't just another SaaS company, they are deeply integrated into the world of finance. So if you're building for them, you're building for impact. And here's the role in a nutshell. This role is based in Vellore, India. They're looking for someone with 3 plus years of experience, and the compensation goes up to 15 lakhs per annum. So it's a full time role. Fact Entry wants someone who's been in the game. And all right, let's talk about you, or rather, who they want you to be. So they're looking for someone with a bachelor's or master's in mathematics, science, or programming, and strong Python skills, including NumPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, PyTorch, etc., and a solid grip on classical ML like the machine learning, regression, trees, SVMs, naive-based theorems, and etc. And with experience with OpenAI, Hugging Face, and LangChain, and someone who gets data from pre-processing to feature engineering to evaluation. So if you take these, you're already ahead in the pack. So what does this job actually involve? So it involves LLM fine tuning, like think ChatGPT, LLAMA for use cases like summarizations, Q&A, document generation. And RAG pipelines, retrieval augmented generation, is the new hot thing. And you will be building those with vector databases. And also, coming to frameworks, work on Hugging Face, LangChain, etc. And coming to the API development, build a real-time APIs that expose these models to production apps. This is real engineering, like real AI engineering, not just notebook to nowhere. All right, let's talk about preparation. Here are the questions you will likely face in the interview. So let us walk through them. So, the first question they might ask you is walk us through an end to end ML project. What problem were you solving exactly? And second one might be how do you prevent overfitting? Coming to the third one, how do you evaluate model performance? What are the metrics do you look at? And also, the next question might be have you fine tuned or deployed any LLMs? And the most expected question is what is RAG and how have you used it? Now, know your stuff and be ready to explain, not just name drop them. Okay? And coming to the good stuff. So, you are being given up to 15 lakhs per annum. And also, you will have a career growth inside the six group ecosystem and real generative AI exposure, not theory, actual production level use cases. And also, you'll get to work with modern AI stacks and frameworks and be a part of a global, data driven finance team. In short, solid pace, strong tech, and serious impact. Now, let's talk about how to actually crack this role. Come to tip number one understand trade cutoffs. Don't just say I used XG Boost. Show that you understand why you used it, how it was helpful for the project. Did you trade interpretability for accuracy, speed for flexibility, etc.? And for this, you have to take a past project and break down your choices. Ask yourself what would change if you used another model. Read up one model, comparison case studies, and dive into real Kaggle kernels with solution write ups. Coming to tip number two, use LLMs as systems. Think beyond the prompt. So, LLMs are not magic boxes, they are part of a system. So, you need to think about how data flows in, how context is managed, how latency is optimized, and how the outputs are used downstream. So, for this, you need to build a simple RAG app using LangChain, vector DBs, and OpenAI. Then think like an engineer. Where does it slow down? How do you handle context length? Learn how it scales and not just how it works. Coming to the last and most important tip, strong POV on deployment. So don't just stop at I trained the model. Instead, Fact Entry wants someone who can confidently discuss how the model gets into production and stays there. So for this, you have to deploy a model using Fast API plus Docker. So log its predictions, monitor its performance over time, and explore tools like machine learning flow, weight, and biases, or just basic versioning. So even a basic GitHub and CI/CD pipeline shows you are thinking ahead. So and that's a wrap. If you found this break And that's a wrap. If you found this breakdown useful, drop a like, share it with your fellow developers, and hit that subscribe button. You have got the skills, now back them up with clarity and confidence. Catch you in the next one. Thank you.